for apple, shiny and bright. B is for bear dancing in the light. Imagine creating a fun, animated kids song video like this in less than 20 minutes, without any editing skills, fancy equipment, or even your own voice. Sounds impossible? It's not. I made the video you're watching right now using free AI tools, and I'm about to show you exactly how you can do it too, step by step. Stick around because this could be your ticket to tapping into one of YouTube's hottest niches. Kids learning music videos, why bother? Well, channels like Cocomelon are raking in millions. 190 million subscribers, over 196 billion views, and an estimated $490,000 to $8 million in monthly ad revenue, all from catchy animated songs for kids. And here's the kicker, you don't need to be a pro animator or singer to join the party. In this tutorial, I'll walk you through every step to craft your own animated kids song video, perfect for entertaining little ones, teaching them something new, or even kickstarting a profitable YouTube channel. Ready? Let's dive in. Step 1. Dream up a winning song idea. Every great kids video starts with a killer concept. Not sure where to begin? Let AI be your creative buddy. Open ChatGPT and brainstorm. Think, do you want a bouncy nursery rhyme, a counting tune, or maybe an animal adventure song? Popular ideas include alphabet jams, number chants, animal noises, good habits, or sleepy lullabies. Try a prompt like, create a lively kids song that teaches the alphabet from A to Z with a catchy, upbeat vibe. ChatGPT will whip up a song idea in seconds. Want more options? Ask it to generate a few extras. Pick your favorite, then say, write full lyrics for this song with simple rhymes, repetition, and kid-friendly words. Tweak the lyrics if needed. Make them clear, fun, and singable. Save them in a doc for later. Boom! Your song's foundation is set. Step 2. Turn lyrics into a pro-level song now. Let's make those words sing. Literally. Head to Suno. Links in the description. A mind-blowing AI tool that turns text into polished songs with vocals and beats. Whether you want a peppy pop tune or a gentle lullaby, Suno's got you covered. Sign up for an account. You'll get 50 free credits to start. Click Create, select Custom Song, and paste your lyrics. Pick a style. Think upbeat nursery rhyme or jazzy kids bop, then hit Create. In moments, you'll have a full song. Listen to the options, choose the catchiest one, and download it as an MP3. Just like that, your lyrics are now a toe-tapping masterpiece. Step 3. Craft eye-popping visuals. A great song needs visuals to match, right? Back to ChatGPT. Ask it to whip up image prompts for every scene. Try. Create a vivid prompt for a 3D animated letter B with a goofy bear juggling balls, bright, colorful, and kid-approved. Tie each prompt to your lyrics for consistency. Save them all. Now, fire up Leonardo.AI, link below. This AI tool churns out stunning images fast. Sign in, go to Image Creation, and paste your first prompt. Choose the Phoenix 3D render style. Set the aspect ratio to 16:9 for that widescreen look and generate. Download each image matching every lyric line to a vibrant visual. Loving this so far? Hit that like button and subscribe, it really helps. Step 4. Animate your masterpiece. Time to bring those images to life. Enter Hilo.AI, an AI video wizard that turns stills into smooth, jaw-dropping animations. Links in the description. New users get 100 free coins daily. Plenty to play with. Click Create, upload your images, add quick scene descriptions like bear spins balls, and hit Generate. Repeat for all your scenes, building a seamless video flow. Watch your song come alive, it's pure magic. Step 5. Polish and combine it all. Let's tie it together with CapCut, free editing tool that's a total game changer. Open CapCut, start a new project, and import your animated clips and song file. Drag clips to the timeline, syncing them with the lyrics. Precision is key. Use the auto caption feature to add sing-along subtitles. Spice it up with playful transitions, funky backgrounds, or cute stickers. Double check the audio timing, tweak as needed, and export in crisp 4K resolution. Voila, you've got a pro quality kids song video, no budget or team required. Wrap up. There you have it, an engaging animated kids video made with free AI tools in under 20 minutes. Whether you're here to entertain, educate, or cash in on YouTube, you've now got the playbook. If this tutorial rocked your world, drop a like, leave a comment, and subscribe for more AI-fueled creative hacks. Thanks for watching. Go make something awesome.